Who will go with him? Who will go with him? उसके साथ कौन जाएगा? I will go with him. I will go with him. उसके साथ मैं जाऊंगा. What do you have? What do you have? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? I have a car. I have a car. मेरे पास एक गाड़ी है. What do you want? What do you want? तुम क्या चाहते हो? I want to go back. I want to go back. मैं वापस जाना चाहता हूँ. Who were you looking at? Who were you looking at? तुम किसको देख रहे थे? I was looking at you. I was looking at you. मैं आपको देख रहा था. When will you go? When will you go? तुम कब जाओगे? I will go tonight. I will go tonight. मैं आज रात जाऊंगा. What are you learning? What are you learning? तुम क्या सीख रहे हो? I'm learning English. I'm learning English. मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ. Who do you trust? Who do you trust? तुम किस पर भरोसा करते हो? I trust you. I trust you. मैं तुम पर भरोसा करता हूँ. What do you do? What do you do? तुम क्या करते हो? I run a shop. I run a shop. मैं एक दुकान चलाता हूँ. What did you say? What did you say? तुमने क्या कहा? I said what you heard. I said what you heard. मैंने वो कहा जो तुमने सुना. Did you try? Did you try? क्या तुमने कोशिश की? I tried my level best. I tried my level best. मैंने अपनी पूरी कोशिश की. What all did he give you? What all did he give you? उसने तुम्हें क्या क्या दिया? He gave me nothing. He gave me nothing. उसने मुझे कुछ नहीं दिया. Why do you do this? Why do you do this? तुम ऐसा क्यों करते हो? I have to do. I have to do. मुझे करना पड़ता है. Will you do this again? Will you do this again? क्या तुम दोबारा ऐसा करोगे? I will never do this again. I will never do this again. मैं ऐसा दोबारा नहीं करूँगा. Did you ask him? Did you ask him? क्या तुमने उससे पूछा? He did not even tell me. He did not even tell me. उसने मुझे बताया ही नहीं. Who is he? Who is he? वो कौन है? He is my childhood friend. He is my childhood friend. वो मेरा बचपन का दोस्त है. Will you go by car? Will you go by car? क्या तुम गाड़ी से जाओगे? I will go on foot. I will go on foot. मैं पैदल जाऊंगा.